So we are back at our ninth rental property, and the tenant gave me a key. So it's like the most expensive key ever. So it's like, yeah, she broke stuff and like for 15,000 US dollars, and owes that kind of money. But at least she gave me the key to the garage back, right? So that's just amazing. So we'll see if we can get it to open. Oh, something's happening. And she gave me the key for the mailbox too. How nice of her. She's such a sweet person. Anyways, there was like a lot of food garbage and stuff in the house before that I had taken out. So what I did is that I threw that away. So because it was like becoming like a rat nest, right? So we could call it the rat house. So we're trying to remove all the rat stuff. So in this video I'll just show, like I'll see if I have some video picture of how this looked before. But it's quite big, that poop. And then this is how it looks now. And the plan is now to like continue cleaning it up and making it nice again. So this has been cleaned up. So that is awesome. So see if we can shut the garage again. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, it's working. I love the garage. Automatic garage door, right? It's amazing. Da 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 da. Would have been like very nice if she gave me this before we emptied the garage, right? I mean, we had to take everything out from the door here and then out there. Anyway, so we got the tiles back here. So I think they look pretty cool. I'll see if we have a video clip of how it looked when we got it from the tenant. This is where the second dog was mostly living, I think. So yeah, so we have the tiles. I still think like when it's clean, when it was clean originally, then it is a very nice spot to sit and like hang out. And then we have the garden. So there were some like chicken houses and all kinds of stuff inside the garden. So I can see if we have some footage to show how it looked like. And then this is how it looks now. And then here there were like some animals living here. Not sure what was going on there. Oh, and I have a drone shot. So we can just like look up from there how it looks like now. Unfortunately, I don't think I have one from before. So the plan now on the outside is to cut the grass and cut the trees and stuff, and then everything the last parts will be cleaned up, so we don't have anything living inside it that we don't want here. So clean up the entire garden. And then we're going to clean up inside here, and then paint the entire house here and inside. So we have the floors have been cleaned here, and yeah, so we still have like some jungle outside that will be cut down. And then I got a new kitchen, so it's $1,000 or a little less than €1,000 kitchen from Germany. So it's going to be interesting to see what a $1,000 kitchen looks like. Can you imagine? You'll write it in the comments what do you think about the $1,000 kitchen. Yeah, so the plan is now to paint the stuff, clean the house, remove all the plants and grass outside, and then with the kitchen, it's going to dismantle. I haven't had it dismantled yet. So remove the entire old kitchen and the cabinet and the fridge, and the floor, so everything goes out. And then I need to like sanitize and do something with the mold thing in the corner and fix the corner of the wall there. But then when that's fixed, I think that's when we get the next update video. Probably before I put the kitchen in, but you never know. So yeah, so that's the plan now, to clean it up. What do you think? Write it in the comments below. What do you think about my expensive remote control for the garage? Write that in the comments too. Yeah. Thanks for watching. There'll be a link to the next video here. There's also a link to the first video, so you can see how it looked like when we got it from the tenant. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, give it a like or dislike, and have a wonderful day.